good morning. We are here at the Ayia Napa Marina in Cyprus and we found this Lagoon 420 for sale by owner. So over the next few days we're gonna visit probably a few times, inspect the boat as much as we can and see if we like it and then maybe take it further from there. So let's go and have a look around it. One of the first things we did this year was fly to Cyprus to check out this Lagoon 420. If you've been watching our earlier videos, you would have seen that last summer we got very close to finding our ideal catamaran. Unfortunately, after the survey we were unable to agree a price with the seller and so that sale fell through. A fair bit of money down the drain, but not to worry, we won't give up so easily. Let's see what this Lagoon 420 is like. Ready to take it out for a spin? Let's see. As the weather was very calm during our first morning there, the first thing we did was take it out for a short sea trial in the bay. Hi hi! We gaan even varen, dus hij moet dicht. After this short sea trial, we'll have a look around the inside of the Lagoon 420. I see, yep. Alright, okay, yeah. All clear. It looked like quite a handful to maneuver this big boat out of the marina, but no problem for the current owner, of course. Alright, yeah. So far so good. I'll wrap up that line in a second.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll do it as well when I
start no worries. Out. Cool.
Because I put the autopilot on once I start moving out.
Alright, yeah, exactly.
Then you can go around and do your jobs, close the gates, close the wires.
Yep. So far so good? Yeah. Well, the family looks quite comfortable. Would this be the right sailboat to take us sailing around the world? Happy?
And then I'll go around and start doing my jobs.
Yeah. Yep. After switching off the engines, we still had a certain forward speed in negligible wind. After all, the Lagoon 420 is known for its amazing liveaboard space, but not necessarily for its light wind sailing performance. Nee, dan gaat hij uit. Nee, gaat kort. Under engine power only, we made about 3 knots with the engines just nudged into forward gear and 6.5 knots at 2000 RPM. After the sea trial, we ran through lots of technical details together. I will show you those in a later video, where we will also look at the bulkheads of this Lagoon 420. Our first night on a boat. Well, on what might be our boat, who knows. First night trying out this boat. And look what we found. Goedemorgen.
Good morning.
Good morning. Deze is not veel.
Heel mat, hè? Deze is heel mat. Ja.
Yes.
Lily spotted this very well. We noticed quite a bit of humidity in this forward cabin, probably due to us keeping everything closed and the low nighttime temperatures. So we just stayed the first night at the boat to trial it, basically. Really, we haven't bought it yet. It's not even ours, but he's friendly enough that we can do this, so it's amazing. And Lily just woke up, right? You want to explore outside? Shall we go and see? Come on, let's go. I'll open the door. Doe maar, ga maar naar de door.
Ik wil het doen. Sorry.
Hallo.
Jij bent klaar?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. We really love this hardtop bimini. The headspace under it is huge, even for me being 6'6" tall, 1m98. Even on the helm seat I won't hit my head. Even in the salon you can see the headroom is plenty. I can stand up straight almost all around it. Here we're looking at the port forward cabin. And separate shower. Again with enough headroom. This is what it's like in the aft cabin. A bit less headroom, but still impressive, I thought. The starboard hull is a copy of the port hull, as the boat is a 4-cabin charter version. This is the aft head, also with a separate shower area. And here I am in the starboard forward cabin. And that's a quick tour around the Lagoon 420. As you can see, a really impressive headroom. My height's 6'6", 198, and I can stand in almost all areas. Happy? And that's it. That's what I can show you about this Lagoon 420 so far. So we're gonna have to decide if we're gonna make a move on it. Hopefully the impressions of it were a little bit useful. And then we'll see you next week, see how it goes. If you're interested in that, subscribe and click the bell for a notification. And of course, huge thanks to the current owner for letting us publish this video. Mooi? Ga jij het filmen? Hè?
Zo hier.
Ja, mooi hè?
Hier, zo.
Voor papa? Ja. Kijk, daar gaat hij.
Wow.
En dat...
You like it? Say thank you. Hey. Zeg maar thank you.
Moppie.